Mga kaibigan, please welcome Mystica and Tita Christy Fermin.
Magandang tanghali sa'yo. Cheesecake?
Aray ko, Tita Christy, tama na muna, napagalitan na ako doon.
Ay, ganon.
Mystica, umpisahan natin. So you have a 12-year-old boy.
That's right.
So, nagka-baby ka, very young ka pa.
Yeah, that's right.
How young were you when you had him?
I was just 16.
Oh my
Sweet
God.
16.
Sweet 16 at may baby na. Yung audience ko ngayon, yan atang edad nila, natitense na sila. Okay.
Ayun nga eh, oo.
And he did not meet his father for a very long time.
Yeah. Kasi by the time, it was much better for me not to tell him the truth. Kasi I left him when he was just 2 months old. Kasi sabi ko sa mother ko, Mother, I have to work. Sabi ko, para mabuhay ko siya. So,
Very similar to Tita Elvin's
talaga?
story mo. Umalis ka, 2
Talaga?
months old pa lang yung
that's
son
right.
mo.
So I had to come to Manila by that time. So at least I was able to find some jobs and stuff. And then until I found this Canadian guy. So he was the one who took me to Canada.
And you lived in Canada and worked
That's
there for
right.
how long?
For 7 years.
Tapos in LA,
In
nagtrabaho
LA
ka?
for 3 years. But in LA, because, I went there as a singer, but it was very hard to push myself as a singer.
Oo.
So I had to find another way to, to make some money. So I became an exotic dancer.
Ang exotic dancer, sorry, yun ba yung stripper? Hindi naman.
No, I didn't strip actually.
Okay,
It was
what's an
just
exotic
bikini
dancer?
Bikini and, yung tanga, ganun lang.
Okay. And
That's
then,
right.
hindi yun yung parang napanood. Ano ba yung movie na yun? Na
Striptease?
Striptease.
Hindi, kasi yung striptease, naghuhubad siya ng ano eh.
Yung sa'yo, hindi.
No. Okay. Kasi 3 places naman kasi ang exotic bars doon. Meron yung nude place, meron yung topless, tapos meron naman yung bikini.
Sa'yo, bikini.
Bikini.
Alam ng anak mo yon.
Well, nagulat nga siya nung first time may ipalabas yung litrato ko di sa Pilipinas. Bumili pala siya. Ngayon nakita niya, umuwi siya sa ate ko. Sabi niya, ano ba to? Ano bang nangyayari din? Anong nangyayari sa mami ko? Tapos pinunit-punit, tapos sinunog yung yung dyaryo. Hindi daw niya matek na pinagtatawanan na daw siya ng mga klase niya.
Because
Dahil
you were
nasa-
dressed so sexily? Ganun
Hindi,
ba?
kasi na-evulgar kasi may nagsulat na, yung Mystica na yan. Kaya pala nag-split, nagtatumbling. Kasi dati palang exotic dancer yan. Para bang na-hurt siya.
Na-hurt siya.
Mm-mm.
Okay, how does he react now sa mga performances mo? Dahil very suggestive. I have seen you on
That's
several
right.
shows talaga. Di ba, Tita Chrissy, sabi mo, hindi mo kaya yun.
Sabay kasi kami, sabi ko, Chris, paano to? Hindi naman ako marunong mag-tumbling, saka mag-split.
Oo.
Sabi ko, huwag kayong mag-alala tita dahil hindi pa ako mag-split ngayon.
Tatumbling
Ngayon,
lang.
Tatumbling lang.
Ano yung buo pa yung mga buto mo?
Anong reaction niya ngayon? Your son?
Nag-improve na po dahil kasama na po siya ngayon sa aking The Mystic Dancers. Nagbaback-up dancer na rin po siya.
Okay!
Siya na po yung bumibit-bit sa akin sa ere.
Okay, Tita Christy, in your case naman, nung una kang...
Hindi po ako nag-exotic dancer sa LA. Alam mo, talagang straight English, ayaw ni May Rivera. Di ba kalaban niya yung kumanta na Aray?
Alright. Let's ask Mystica.
Diyos ko, talong-talo ako dito.
Oo.
Well, imagine
Diba?
leaving my own son when he was just 2 months old, di ba? Sabi
Yes.
nila, nako, rate 0 yun, di ba? Pero para sa akin, kahit ganun po ang sinabi ng iba, I did all my best for my son. So, I wasn't with him physically na yung nandun ako na present sa kanya. But I was with him mentally and financially. I did everything. I would give all my life for my son para lang mabuhay siya.
Parang iiyak ka.
Alright.
So, I would rate myself 12.
Okay. Anong pangarap mo for your son?
Well, gusto ko lang na balang araw hindi na siya magdedepende sa akin. Kasi all his life talagang nagdepend siya sa akin, di ba? Financially, saka ano. So, kung ano man yung babalakin niya balang araw, I'm gonna let him decide for himself. Yun lang, gusto kong maging independent naman siya.
I hate to bring this up, but would you allow him to dance sexy?
Sabi ko nga sa kanya, alam mo anak, malaking kita niyan.
Okay. Maraming salamat sa mga naging panauhin ko today. All of us mothers have one very, very important challenge in our lives, and that is not only to love because we will always love our children, but to support their dreams and accept whatever choices they make in their lives. Ultimately ho, kung ano maging resulta ng buhay ng mga anak natin, yun ang gantimpala natin sa pagmamahal na binigay natin sa kanila. Thank you very much for sharing your stories with me this morning. Bye everybody. Tomorrow, mag-high school reunion po ako. Ang dami kong mga kaklase from high school who are kapwa achievers. Bye everybody. See you tomorrow.